just went to Family Dollar and I bought a little bit of some stuff, just 2 items. Don't worry, you're not alone. So we got this Disney mini brand and this Durables set. So no, love the bed. Okay, guys. So first we're gonna open the mini brand. Okay, guys, we have this. Let's open this one. Oh! It's Minnie Mouse! Oh, that's so cute. Look at her. She has all of that. Okay, next item. Nah, this one may be big. Yeah, okay. When I show it to y'all, tell me what it is, okay? Is it this? No. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Thor hammer! Wow, it's the Thor hammer, guys. Got the lines and everything. So let's see what we could get. I really want to get Elsa. One of these Disney princesses. Okay, let's open. Already got that. Which one should I open, guys? Oh my god. Okay. Nah, this one's too big. I'm gonna do this. Okay. Day 10 1. Oh my god, it's Darth Vader from Star Wars! And look, Mommy. There's hammer. Oh my god. Yeah, I also have a slime that matches with it. Let's open this one. Okay.
And like you said, it doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to just want to paint it.
Oh, wait, it's something that you have to build. Wait, is this for a princess? Wait, it's a Disney sticker. Oh, guys, it's literally a Disney sticker. That's so cute. Okay, guys, so we'll figure that out later. If we want to. But anyways, let's move on to the next one. Okay, guys, our last and final. 10. 3, 2, 1. It's that guy from Toy Story. What's his name? Oh, guys, we have Forky from Toy Story. Oh my god. Okay. So, guys, now we're gonna build this. Okay, guys, we're gonna do that later. Next Okay, guys, so we're gonna move on to the Durables, and here are some characters that we could get. We could get Nick, we could get Soul, Mr. Kittens, we could get all these characters. Okay. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited. Okay, guys, so the wrapping is off. Oh my god, that's so cute. How it's like a little knock knock. Okay. Which one should we open? Okay. Let's see what we get. It comes in a mini blind mystery bag. Look. It comes with a mystery blind bag. Oh, it's the anyway, what's his name? I know he's from Zootopia. We got Officer Clauser from Zootopia. Look, guys. Is he from Zootopia? He's from Zootopia. He's so cute. Okay, guys. Let's open. Also comes in a blind bag. Comes in a mystery blind bag. Let's see what we get. It's Winnie the Pooh! Guys, it's Winnie the Pooh! This is so cute! Okay, guys, so far, let's do... Okay, so we open this one. Mystery blind bag again. Wait, where did it? Oh, guys, look! It's a little dog, but let's see who it is. It's Machival. It's Machival.
So your goal is to collect all of them?
Yes. My goal, guys, is to collect all of them. This is so cute. He looks so grumpy. I like their shiny, glittery eyes. Okay. Let's open this. Open that part, of course, and I can just be doing that.
Yeah, Messenger. Because on the video, I can't sync it to the
Oh, it's from Soul. Comment down below what is her name. And then our last and final one, we have two. So it comes with, ooh, so much. Look at all types of Disney characters. We got two mystery. Oh wait. We got one. Wait, is it one? Yeah, it just came with one, but that's okay. So we got one mystery one. 13.
On my computer.
He's from a Bug's
It's on my
Life.
computer. On my phone, it's not.
feel isn't there like another character? There was supposed to be two. Hold on. Did it come with two? Y'all, it said two characters, like literally. Did I get scammed? Yeah, I think I got scammed. But let me show y'all. Okay, guys, so now we're going to set this up. Okay, guys, we don't know how to build it, but this is all the characters that we got. Okay, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys like this video. Okay, bye, Kicker World. Love y'all. Kisses.